Hi there traders and welcome to CASHBACK TV. As you already know, in this video I will share with you some thoughts to save your time and make your traders way shorter and much more cost effective. Subscribe for our Telegram channel where we post free signals to work out, useful articles, educational videos and more. If you want to become a professional trader, visit our website and figure out how to join our community, where our students master their trading through consistent practical lessons and trading diary check with the feedback. When you join the community, you go through the video course. This video course represents theoretical base. Then you pass a test to check your theoretical knowledge, with further limitless practical lessons in Discord server held every week. It's impossible to make your trading profitable alone. Join the team of professionals where you will level up your skills with no limits in time. Now let me tell you the truth about the way most traders go through. Personally me, for the first 2 years, I mostly been losing money again and again. The hardest part of this way is that you spend so much time scrutinizing everything about trading and not only have no earnings on that, but you even lose. But here is a small spoiler, in the end it's worth it. So I was losing my money and the question, is it real to avoid this? The answer is it's impossible. In fact, the paradox is that all these failures make you a pro. However, we can make it thousands times cheaper than it was in my case. So let's list all my mistakes that I made on my way. First, avoid over trading. Trade only in a proper mood. If you have no good mood, watch educational videos on the CASHBACK channel. It will help you to level up your trading skills. But don't trade until you reach the pure desire to do this, just to trade for the pleasure. Second, never trade $100 deposit if you can't turn $20, $50 into this 100. Try from $10 again and again until you get perfect statistics. When you get this perfect statistic, your deposit will probably be as much as doubled. Third, trade only one strategy. Trade it until you reach ideal 10 out of 10 quality and mastery. The result comes after statistics and drilling of only one strategy. Never mix several strategies when you are a beginner. The strategies could be breakouts, smart zones as you see on the screen, pullbacks from limit orders. Choose only one and work with this with no attention to other strategies. Next, trading system. The trading system is a set of rules, including the rules of risk management, rules to strictly adhere, that include the process of setup selection, calculation of your size, position size, rules of entry, rules of fixation, and evaluating the potential of your trade and different scenario of your trades. The sooner you get to following all these rules, the faster you will get stable result. And finally, if you come to scalping, forget about classic approach, analyzing only a chart. In scalping, it's just 50% of your analysis. Another 50% is order book. Best option is trading terminal as CScalp. Watching the order book will give you much more analytical information and huge advantage in front of other traders who trade only graph. Because most market inefficiencies are seen inside the order book, giving you this advantage and opportunities to earn and even really good entry points. Finally, what conclusion I can make of this? If I had applied all these points from the very beginning, I would probably have saved years of life and come to stable trading much faster. Now you who watched this video can apply all these points, just starting from now and level up your trading into professional level. Wish you good profit, see you soon.